The Autoglym Intensive Tar Remover is good. It does a very good job. I've owned this product for years. You can see by the amount of dust on the lid, but I've used it many times and it does a very good job. And it's not just for removing tar. Actually, this works on silicone. I've got silicone off a car before, and apparently wax, although I've never tried it on wax. I have tried it on tar on multiple occasions and it works effortlessly, very well indeed. And I would say I've probably got more than half left for all the years of buying it. So if you have got tar on your car, this works. It works very well. If you're going through a freshly made or repaired pothole and something flicks up on the wheel arch or on the side, it's a nightmare. It's very difficult to get off. You don't want to risk scratching your car. You need to use the right stuff. This is the right stuff. It works very well, and it's good thing to have in the toolkit of things, because you want to get onto it as soon as possible while it's fresh, get it off, keep your paintwork looking as fresh and as clean as possible. And yeah, you can buy something like this and it's going to last you forever. It's going to last you such a long time. It's always good to have on the shelf, and it can have a number of uses around the home as well. If you have some silicone smudging in the bathroom or something like that, it's a general useful product to have around the house. So if you're looking for something like this, then I would definitely recommend it. It's treated me very well, and it continues to do so. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up from me.